Open the side cover part, select the Configuration Manager, right-click, and select Add Configuration. Type a new name and description, and click OK. Right-click on the default configuration, select Properties, and rename it. Activate the Forge configuration and split the Feature Manager. Select the circular pattern and select Suppress from the context toolbar. Click on the Direct Editing tab and select Delete Face. Select the Small Holes face, use the Delete and Patch option, and click OK. Double-click in the centers hole and edit the diameter's dimension. Change the diameter and select this configuration option from the drop-down list. Rebuild the part to continue. Switch between the two configurations to see their differences and activate the Forge configuration. Click on the New command and select Drawing from Part. Select the drawing template and click OK. Select the A landscape drawing size, turn off the Display Sheet Format option and click OK. From the View palette, drag the front view onto the sheet. Click to add a top and isometric views. Select the front view and change the display style to Hidden Lines Visible. Right-click on the front view and select Tangent Edge, Tangent Edges Hidden. Repeat for the top view. Right-click on the isometric view and select Tangent Edge, Tangent Edges Visible. Select the isometric view and change it to Hidden Lines. Click on Model Items, set the Import options, and click OK. If needed, change the drawing units to 3 decimal places. Arrange and delete the dimensions as indicated. Select the Smart Dimension tool and add the missing dimensions. Click on Layer Properties from the Layer toolbar, add a new layer and rename it Reference. Select the reference dimensions and move them to the reference layer. Click on the Add Sheet tab, right-click on the new sheet, select Properties and rename it Machined. Right-click on the Sheet 1 tab, select Properties and rename it Forge. Activate the Forge sheet select the front view and select the menu Edit, Copy. Activate the machined sheet and paste it. Select the view and change it to the machined configuration. Select the front view. From the Drawing tab, select Projected View and add a top and isometric views. Arrange the views and change the isometric view to hidden lines and tangent edges visible. From the Drawing tab, click on Section View and select the Aligned Section option. Click to locate the center, the hole's center, set the vertical direction, and finally locate the section view. Select the Annotations tab and add the missing center lines. Click on Model Items and add the missing annotations. Arrange and delete the dimensions as indicated. Select the hole's linear dimensions, right-click and select Display Options, Display as Diameter. Add the missing center mark as shown and click Propagate. Select the radial dimension and change the leader in the dimensions properties as shown. Select the dimension indicated and add a parenthesis. Right-click on the machined sheet, select Properties and verify the sheet's scale. Select the isometric view and in the Properties select the Use Custom Scale and change it to 1:2. Arrange the views in the sheet, save the drawing and close the file.